Welcome back to my channel. We have another What's for Dinner, and today I'm just gonna have some lighter meals for you. I haven't been that hungry at night just because of the heat and the summer, so I've been having some lighter dinners, but you can definitely add your own sides to these meals. So the first one was just some buffalo chicken, and this is my favorite recipe. I just throw some frozen chicken in the crock pot, add some buffalo sauce, ranch seasoning, and a little bit of butter, and then let that cook on high for 4 to 6 hours. And then you can do whatever you want with this. You can make wraps. I just put this in a container with some peppers. The next meal I had was some Mexican street corn chicken. I'll link this recipe down below, but this was really good. So first I made the sauce, and I did some mayo and then a 1/4 cup of Greek yogurt. You can use sour cream as well. And then I just added some chili powder and the juice of half a lime. I mixed that all up, and then I added in a can of drained corn. And then I cut my chicken breast into small strips, seasoned it with salt, pepper, garlic, and some Lowry's. And then I put this in a baking dish, and then I put the corn sauce mixture on top of it. And then I decided to put this over some cauliflower instead of potatoes, but you could do potatoes or rice or whatever you wanted. So I just cooked up some frozen cauliflower in this pot of boiling water. I then topped the corn sauce mixture and chicken with some cheese and put it in the oven at 425 for around 20-25 minutes. Then to the cauliflower I added some butter and some salt and pepper and made this mash just like you would some mashed potatoes. This was just a really good light option instead of having potatoes or rice, like I said, but you could do those as well. I just really liked this. I thought it was a great way to get your veggies in. And then I took out the casserole mixture and then I plated it up. This night was really hot, so I decided to barbecue. So I sliced up some green pepper, and then I put that in some tin foil with some olive oil, and then just seasoned it with some salt, pepper, Lowry's, the usual. And then wrapped up the tin foil and then put it on the barbecue along with these sausages. These are from Costco. They were really good. They were slightly spicy, and I really enjoyed them. And they come with Southern barbecue, and the other package I think is Catalina barbecue. Barbecuing on nights like this are so much fun, so I'm glad that I got the barbecue out, and this turned out to be a really good dinner. So this night we had buffalo turkey meatballs. So I'll link the recipe down below. I took a pound of turkey, added in an egg, and then half a cup of almond flour. I'm sure you could use regular flour, but the recipe called for almond flour, and I enjoy almond flour. And then 3/4 of a cup of buffalo sauce. And then I think this was around like half the package of ranch seasoning. And it called for ranch dressing as well, but I forgot, so I would add that in. And then I also added in some shredded cheese. I mixed it all together, and then I just made some meatballs. I made pretty big meatballs, and it did make a lot, so You could make smaller ones if you wanted, but this is a great meal prep recipe, or just for dinner. You could add a side with this as well, whatever you like to eat your meatballs with, but it was ended up being a really good recipe. Baked those in the oven at 420 for about 20 minutes. And then I was clearly on a green pepper kick this week. I had bought a bag of 5, I believe, green peppers, and they were on sale, so I wanted to use those up. So I put the container lid on because I wasn't planning on baking them for a while. I did not put that in the oven. I put them in the fridge until I was ready to bake them. But I cut up a green pepper and I left it in these big slices this time. This was really good. And then I just put them on a pan with some parchment paper, some extra virgin olive oil, and then I seasoned them with the usual salt, pepper, Lowry's, and I just had this on the side, and it was really good. I love green peppers. And I just served it up. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.